Now we have Kuldeep Mato. Pitch. Knee. Position. Try hard. Go! Once again, try hard. Yes. Now, the pot breaking by Raman Thapa. Yes. Next, we have Azina Khalko. Thereafter, be ready for the empty bottles. Srijana Guru. Now, pot breaking by Sensei Azina Khalko. Yes. Now we have Anil Sensei. Sensei Rohita Pradhan. Right. Knee. Shot. Thank you so much. Now we have a tiles breaking by Deepankar Roy by forehead. Hit. Knee. Position. Knee. Position.
जोरदार तालियां